Hartman Adventures at them, man.
Yeah, so me and Brian and him dog, they out here. Brian, what channel name?
Legacy, C-L-A-R-X, Legacy 876.
Alright, Clark's Legacy 876. I'll put the link in the description. He's a new channel, so go over there and give him some support. Yeah man, just make him know Hartman Adventures send you over. Big up yourself, shore fishing. I'm always fishing with Jamaica shore fishing Jerry. So you guys, if you watch Jerry's channel, you're probably gonna work, man. Yeah man, so if you watch Jamaica shore fishing channel, you would have seen him a couple of times fishing with Jerry. So yeah man, go over there and support him. Normally it water a little bit lower over here, so still you kind of a little bit high today. Oh, what was that? What was that a while ago? Something just rushed my lure now, guys. You know shallow. It high, man. Remember from here I come out, I'm tell you say a little bit high. Even though I get higher than this a lot of times. Carry him over this, over the brown part. Alright guys, fish on. A young burrow. Very small one. Hey. Agile. Alright, relax, relax. Alright, I first one for today. Me and Brian they out here. Up. Where you gone? There he is. Very, very small one. Just release him. Oops, there he goes. Nice little young burrow. Catch and release. Alright, let me tell you guys about this lure that I caught it on. This is a 14-gram lure that I got from one of my brethren over there in Barbados. His name is Easy Fishing on Instagram. He also has a website now where you can get these lures to buy. This is the 14-gram lure, and trust me, this lure, it's so easy to use, so easy to work. You don't need to put any effort into working this lure. This lure swims nice naturally. You can fast retrieve it, you can twitch it, can jig it. It sinks fast though, so if you're fishing in shallow water or shallow reefy area, you have to be careful of that. Him also send me a 18-gram lure, which at some point today you guys will see me using, and I'll also tell you about that. So I'll put the link in the description to where you can go and find these lures if you're interested in getting them to buy. If you're in Jamaica, I'll send it to you out here, because he actually sent me these. I never really take too long, probably 2 or 3 weeks to get to me through the post office. So yeah, big up yourself, Easy Fishing. Mr. Errol Barrow. Yeah man, big up yourself, bro. Yeah. Yeah, I want to say big up to my virgin Soa TV, Ryan. Yeah man, he's not feeling well right now, but trust me, the boss energy still there. Still the vibrant Ryan, even though him not feel 100, but still the vibrant Ryan. So big up yourself, Ryan. So at TV. Yeah man, get well soon, my bro. Oops, kind of waste man cast that man. You find land now, man. I'm saying find land now. This lure is zoops in. Wow. Bait. Bar probably in there, man. You drop them the further down, but water down the deeper. You have something? You drop him. Gonna make a couple more casts with this lure. Still don't get anything. I'm gonna switch it off and try casting the 18-gram lure, which is a bigger one, but it's a slightly different color. Yeah, I just changed the lure, put on the 18-gram lure from Easy Fishing. That's the color on it. Look at that. Wow. It's a similar profile to the one that I was, to the 14-gram one that I was using. Similar profile, but just a bit bigger and a slightly different color. This is a black back with silver side, touch of yellow on the head. And it swims similarly, a dart in action, side to side dart in action. Seems like Brian about to leave, so I'm gonna try get some coffee Wow, there's a lot of bait in here. Really tiny ones, but there's a lot of bait. A lot of fine bait in here. Look at that. Look at my foot. Look right here. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's just covered with bait. It's absolutely covered with bait. Lightning. Fish on, guys. Small barracuda. Look, he hit about 5 feet from me. Alright, relax, relax. Got you. Wow. Tie up himself. Tie up my leader. Alright. Look at him. Very small one. Just gotta release him. There you go. Nice little barracuda. Been up my leader. There are a lot of bait out here today, so not surprised to see a couple of these small ones over here. Ooh. Look like we are about to get a lot of rain again today. Try see if I can make it out on the reef early before the rain starts. Long jaw. Come here, man. Nice size long jaw. Must swim to me. That's not good. Up. Alright, relax yourself, cause you're hooked, you know. Get my gaff ready. Nice long jaw. So that bite my bite after I gaff, you know, guys. Alright. This one now I'm gonna release today. Normally when I catch the smaller one them, I release them. Or even the bigger ones. Sometimes when I catch the bigger ones them, I release them as well. Oh man. Did he get my leader in his mouth? That was a nice long jaw. Alright, I need to get my knife. Alright, just stick around, guys. Stick around. See if I can get the hooks out time. Card him up and then make you guys see what I go on. Oh man, he's biting the leader. I might have to retie that leader. Alright, just stick around. Alright guys, there he is. Nice size long jaw. Them actually eat really good when you fry them up and stuff. And do them with some escovitch sauce and thing. Them actually eat really good. I'm not a big fan of eating them, but usually when I catch them and release them, people always ask me if I can give it to them. So I'm keeping this one and then I'm gonna give it to someone, as well as my wife don't mind eating them as well. So yeah, they have some crazy teeth. Alright, let's see if I can make another cast in the same spot or similar spot. Bend up my leader. Alright, I'm just a straight note back my leader line, my wire lead. Get it as close to straight as possible, because it not gonna ever be straight again. But kinda get it as close to straight as possible. Alright, that's probably the best I'm gonna get it. Try a nice similar spot again. Oh, what was that? Come on, look at that. Oh man, what was that? I have no idea what that was. Bend me leader to you, man. There seemed to be something else out there. Can you see that, guys? Wow, something just hit some bait right in the middle right there. So well, as you can look, see the rain clouds forming. It's a huge storm forming out there. So I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stay out on the reef. You know, with rain, lightning and them stuff, it's not safe to be out here, especially with the rod over your head, which could become a lightning, like a lightning, something to attract the lightning. Yeah, it's not safe to be out here. Wow, something is out here chasing bait. There's a lot of bait out here today. There are a lot of baits out here today. Guys, I think that might be it for today's session. Whoa, yeah, I think that might be it for today's session. It's very dangerous out here right now. Reason being is because everything is white right now. I can't see where the rocks are, can't see where any sharp stones are or anything like that. So yeah, it's not safe to be out here in the rain because of lightning and stuff like that. So see if I can head in. I'm trying to walk somewhere that I know, that I have a really good idea of where to walk, but even with that, still not very safe, you know, because I can still trip over a stone. I hurt myself real bad. So yeah, just stick around, see if I can get myself back to shore. For the most, I'm not really in the rocky areas right now. Where I am right now is mainly sandy and grassy, but there are 1 and 2 rocks in between, but it's mostly grass, so it's not too dangerous. But back up here, some boulders are up there, sharp boulders. Wow. To get very windy as well. Oh man, wow. All right, stick around. If the rain persists, then the session I go cut short, but if the rain blow off, I'm gonna try to come back out, so just stick around. Yeah, think I'm gonna call it quits for today. Yeah man, I've been out here for a couple of hours now. Haven't really gotten any more hits. Earlier this morning before the rain start fall, there are a lot of bait. Started getting some nice hits going out to the reef, and then the rain start fall, so had to leave from out there, come back to the car and kinda wait until the rain blow off. As you guys know, it's not safe being out there when it's raining because you can get lightning strikes and all of that. And again, when it's raining out there, you can't really see where the structures are in the reef, you know, so for safety reasons it's best to just leave and come back and wait until the rain blow off. But yeah, hook up a small barra this morning, I catch and release, and then after that a nice little long jaw. So yeah, I'm grateful for that. Never come out here with anything other than my rod and my lures and stuff, so at least I have a little bit of fish can go home and fry and whatever, you know. So I'm grateful for that and give thanks for that. As well, want to say give thanks to every single one of you who have been supporting Hartman Adventures. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Really appreciate all of the love, all of the support for you guys show, you know. It's been tremendous, the amount of support what you guys show to me and my family. So yeah man, big up on yourself. I want to say big up to my brethren Ryan from Shoutouts TV. He's not feeling 100%, he's having some health issues, so I want to say big up to Shoutouts TV. If you guys haven't seen his channel as yet, go ahead and check out Shoutouts TV. Yeah man, you'll get a better understanding of the health issues that he's having. So big up yourself, Ryan. Yeah man, you don't know, so you're always in my prayers and in my family prayers, so big up yourself. I want to say big up to Josh and him family, Laura and all our kids over there in the US. Big up yourself, Josh. Yeah man, enough respect always. I want to say big up to Genesis 1. You guys go over there and check out Genesis 1. Yeah man, I'll put a link to her channel in the description. Big up yourself, Genesis. Big up. Gone fishing with Big Wild Beer. Yeah man, big up yourself, Big Wild Beer. Big up to New Look at Lures. Yeah man, a real bridging that me and him chat so often. Pretty much every week me and him dialogue. Yeah man, big up yourself. Big up Jamaica Shore Fishing, Jamaica Adventures. Yeah man, big up Wildlife Adventures as well, you know. Real flanker, big up yourself. Venture for adventure. Yeah man, Shore Fishing, big up yourself, bro. Yeah man, Hotted, big up yourself, Hotted. JJ Adventures, yeah. Jamaica Adventures, Vibes Family Entertainment. So Vibes, yeah man, big up yourself, Vibes. So say I get a fight, bro, but you don't know, just go and persevere, man. Go and persevere, cause nobody with good intention or nobody will do better than you now fight you, you know. It's only people who sit down and have nothing to do with them fight you. So go and hold faith, my boy, and go and push through, you know. But you do it for yourself, your family, and for the wider community who love and appreciate all of your content same way. So big up yourself, Vibes. Yeah man, is check out this channel, guys. When you want to see some excellent Jamaican cooking, creative style cooking, check out him channel. Check out, if you want to see some other type of creative type of cooking as well, check out Colors Smith TV. Colors are doing a whole heap of stuff right now, both for film community as well as for the other communities. Right now I'm actually a venture out into other Caribbean regions. I do a lot of stuff, so check out Colors TV, you know. big up yourself, Colors. Everybody will watch the channel, you know, just big up every single body will watch the channel, you know. Really appreciate everyone on us. So yeah, we'll call it quits for today. See if I can head back home right now. So big up all of you guys, take care of yourself. Catch you in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.